Hey, this is Bentley Atkins with CPSC 2100. We're going to do our coding problem too. And essentially what we're going to do is we're going to make a credit card. We're going to create a balance. We're going to have calculate some interest, the annual interest, and then our minimum monthly payment rate. And how we got that was essentially from the lab that we were working on, but we'll clear that up as we code. I found the best way to solve this was with a while loop. You can do it with a for loop as well from 0 to 13, but while you just go ze- from the month is as long as it's less than 12, they'll keep reprinting that for 12 months. And I figured that would, I like my coding to be as simple as possible to read. So, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So, our month is going to equal 0. And whenever we do create that while loop, we'll actually end up putting a counter on it, which will go up, which will add 1 until it reaches 12. And that will give us our, oops, that will give us our, oh my goodness, that'll give us our months. 5,000 is going to be our balance, our annual interest rate. It's going to be 0.18. And a minimum monthly payment, once you have to pay 0.2% of the total balance. So we will do that. It's going to be 0.2. And we'll go ahead and write a while loop for 1 month, which month is 0 currently because of that. While it's less than 12, we will print the minimum payment. It's going to equal the balance multiplied by the, oh my goodness, payment. And it's also, we also wanted to subtract the what, so this gives us the rate itself. Oh wait, yeah. This gives us the rate itself. Huh. Yeah. By taking the minimum payment. It's actually supposed to be minimum monthly. I got confused with the two minimums. Minimum of the monthly. I'm gonna actually make that rate. That might make it easier for me to, yeah. Okay. So the minimum monthly rate. So multiply these two, that'll give us our minimum payment. And to actually take it from the balance, we have to set our new balance. We're gonna set it equal to the balance. And we're gonna subtract it from the minimum payment. And with that, we will also add 1 to every month. So let me plus or equal. That should be everything we need for a while loop. And we'll get our interest from the balance times the annual interest rate. And then we'll take our total amount will be that balance plus the interest. So this essentially is what's getting us our minimum monthly payment, and this is just getting our interest, which honestly is you're just multiplying it by 0.18 and then you're adding the interest. Kind of the same thing we do with the minimum payment. You just take to get your minimum payment, multiply those by the rate. And instead of adding them, you'll subtract it from that since you're deducting it because that's how much you're going to end up having to pay. And then it's going to add 1 month to that. Then we'll print uh balance. And there's a library that we can use that you can there's other ways to do it. I found the easiest way is just to use the round library function. I thought it worked really well. And it's going to round the amount to the 2 decimal place. And that should be everything there. Let's see. Nice. Okay, cool. Sorry, the runtime took a second. Um, yeah, the remaining balance is 4,629.83. So I think that's right. Most definitely. Anyways, all right. Thank you.